Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And most of you guys liked my sneezing video. A couple frogs, but it's actually not. It's like my sister commented on it. That's actually my channel, but my sister was on it at the time. Okay, so today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to sneeze. Make yourself sneeze. You guys probably know how to sneeze. So what you do, to grab a piece of toilet paper, or just like tissue, and then you start to twist it. Okay, let's try that again. Okay, I got it twisted, and you guys probably know what's gonna happen. Yeah, it's gonna feel very weird, but gotta do it. Just wiggle it around. It actually does work. Sometimes it takes a second. This is gross, but sometimes you have to take it out and try it again. Sorry, the number song's stuck in my head. I love that song now. Okay. So gosh. See, it works. It's easier than pepper. Well, for me at least. Sometimes it makes your nose bleed a little bit. That's my video. Thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye. Oh, and smash that like button and maybe even subscribe. Bye.